Located in Charlottesville, Virginia, the lawn at the University of Virginia, known colloquially as the lawn or the grounds, originated when Thomas Jefferson began its design in 1817. The lawn in itself is a path leading to the rotunda with pavilion facades on both sides. The entire site is separated into 5 sections: the West Range, the West Lawn Gardens, the lawn itself in the center, the East Lawn Gardens, and the East Range. The West and East Gardens contain pavilions 1 through 10, 5 on each opposing side. The nuances formed by the distinctions of each pavilion create a balance between order and intentional disorder. They are the places for professor housing and classrooms, and lead to the rotunda, which contains the library, a universal symbol for knowledge and learning. Benjamin Henry Latrobe, whose idea for a domed building as the main attribute of the lawn inspired Thomas Jefferson to create the rotunda. The Pantheon further inspired Jefferson in his design. His alterations have made the rotunda a being in itself and not simply a miniaturized copy of the Pantheon. The lawn is placed on the top of a ridge with irregular ground on either side. Now independent of the site, the pavilions interact with the land and reflect the changing topography of the land it occupies. Variations in the pavilions and the unusual effect caused by the topography create a sense of paradox to the otherwise orderly lawn. During the design process, Jefferson faced opposition from religious clergy who wanted the University of Virginia to be founded for religious purposes. Jefferson provides comfort and convenience for students and teachers to eliminate issues that would detract from learning. The lawn resonates privilege and stirs emotion among its viewers. Though the adversaries of Jefferson's lawn disliked the design and intent, the work invoked passion among them as well. For Jefferson, his essential burden of the place was not of what the place he would be creating, but rather of how he would establish his vision for a center of learning. The finished product was the result of endless compromise and alterations from the start of the design process. Nevertheless, Jefferson's vision still permeates the final design regardless of its adjustments. The lawn's austere appearance and apparent simplicity distracts one from the historical conflict that went into its creation and draws attention to the educational purpose of the work.